Elembelem share bejani wonu so ne Lands and Natural Resource Minister Emmanuel Amakufi-Boa ne wode 2 pickups trucks akoma Elembele District Police Command no ene assembly no eche so motorbikes and 9 wode amanyumeku ahodo bi a wo mansin no mo sa wonye emfa emoban e wo kro nim.
Emrashe bidwani de momamfo wo lembele ono asanye oswafo ne hwe ensase ni mododode so Emmanuel Amakufi-Boa ene pickups mienu de kwakoma Elembele Mensino Police Command sanso so ena Mensino assembly se wono ensomu ntimi mboa e wo nwumedi mu enye pickup nko no de koma wono mo sanso motorbikes enai wo de piece a wo kire se no betimi aboa amabambo ho nsem e wo mpotemu nso wono mo etumi e de ahwe.
As I stated, what makes our communities work is that the institutions of state that have been mandated to protect us, especially the police, must be given the tools they need to be effective, to be able to work 24 hours a day. I clearly understand the role of the police in ensuring the peace and security of every district. And so when I got a request from the divisional commander that the pickup I presented, I think it's how many years old? 15 years? 9. This one is the last one is 9 years. And it's really very weak and breaking down. I felt it was so important that we help them in a way to retool them.
Ehona aban krachipini de Elembele Joseph Ejekum so nkasa mu wode to dwa se eni omonfo be se eduonum a wo honam akwa bibia to chema kakra eni wono de 2500 akwa ma wono nyina eba be bua hwe se won so betimi ede ape bibi ahya ase aye na wono mkonko ya de so a emfama wono mo abusianfo
315 financial assistance, averagely 3,000 Ghana each. Although some of them are getting 4,000, 5,000, and 3,000, but averagely 315 are getting what you call 3,000 as we speak. But then to the students. So when we come to the items with regards to the deep freezer and the ashes and the fufu machines and all this, 36 people are benefiting it. The physically challenged are benefiting it. Apart from that, 50 physically challenged are getting 2,500 as a startup capital for some of the petty trades that they are going to do.